Evaluate the following. 2 cos square 60 degrees plus 3 secant square 30 degrees minus 2 tan square 45 degrees divided by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 45 degrees. 2 cos square 60 degrees plus 3 secant square 30 degrees minus 2 tan square 45 degrees divided by sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 45 degrees is equal to 2 into cos square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into secant square 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3 whole square minus 2 into tan square 45 degrees is equal to 1 square divided by sine square 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square is equal to 4 by 3 minus 2 into 1 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 into 4 by 3 is equal to 4 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 divided by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. That is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 divided by 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 divided by 2 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 divided by 2 into 4 by 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10 divided by 3. Prove that tan theta plus sin theta by tan theta minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1. LHS is equal to tan theta plus sin theta divided by tan theta minus sin theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta divided by tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to sin theta into 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta plus sin theta divided by sin theta into 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta minus sin theta is equal to sin theta into secant theta plus 1 by sin theta into secant theta minus 1. Sin theta cancel. That is equal to secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1 is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is tan theta plus sin theta by tan theta minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1.